Hello Internet and welcome to this quick video on finding a turning point of a quadratic, perfect for GCSE Maths. Now, let's start by taking a look at this question here, asking us to find the turning point of the equation x squared plus 12x minus 5. The first thing we have to do is complete the square. So to do this, we're first going to bring the x squared and 12x down, and we're going to drop one x and divide by 2, as you'll see here. So we have dropped an x on both of them, x squared has become just x, and 12x has become just 6, because we've also divided the 12 by 2. We're going to put this in a bracket and then square that bracket. And from here, we simply have to square the 6 and take it from the bracket. So 6 squared is obviously 36, so we're going to be minusing 36. All we do now is add our minus 5 on the end, and we can simplify this to sort it out to get x plus 6 squared minus 41. Now, to find our turning point from this, we first take the negative of the number that is inside the bracket. So here the negative of 6 is obviously minus 6, and then we're just going to take the number, not its negative, just the number as it is, from the outside. And this will give us an answer of minus 6 minus 41. And a turning point is a coordinate, so you will write it. The x value is always in the bracket, and the y value is out of the bracket. Let's take a look at another example. This time you notice that a, or the value before x squared, is not 1. All we have to do again is complete the square and then find those two values. However, completing the square is a little more difficult when a isn't 1. So as we know, quadratics are in the form ax squared plus bx plus c, and when a isn't 1, completing the square is a little bit differently. So, first we need to factor out the a. In this case we have a 4, and then we write outside with square brackets. So here we've taken the 4 out of the whole equation by dividing everything within there by 4. Now, next we're going to complete the square as usual within those square brackets, and we're just going to leave the 4 on the outside and ignore it for now. And this will give us an answer of x plus 3 over 2 squared minus 9 over 4 minus 5 over 4. And then we can keep going to get 4x plus 3 over 2 squared minus 7 over 2. Again, we're just ignoring the 4 for now until at this point where we're going to times 4 back through this whole thing. So we're going to have 4x plus 3 over 2 squared minus 14, as we've just times both parts by 4. And now we need to times our 4 through the bracket, as currently it's outside the bracket and we can't work it out quite from there. So we'll get 4x plus 6 squared minus 14, and then we just do what we did on the other side, where we're going to take the negative from inside of our bracket, which is going to be our x value of the coordinate, and we're going to take just this number as it is from outside of the bracket, which is just going to be left as minus 14 being our y value, and write this as a coordinate, and that is our turning point.